Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's gonna be just a little short video. I was like, I'll make this video. So today we are working on a 93 I guess OBS K1500 pickup. And well, the customer originally asked me to check his timing, which timing was off by quite a bit because he did his whole timing system. And then he had a leak on his where it connects to it's called a TDI, not a carburetor. And well, if we come down here, you can see right there it broke. So last night we tried, that's nasty. So last night we tried we didn't know it was broken, so we just put sealant, and then it was still leaking like a lot. So then we took it off and we saw that. So I went to the junkyard, found one, and this one is pretty nasty because it was out, or well, it was exposed to the outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up as much as I can. I got some paper towels, parts brake cleaner, and yeah. So I'm gonna get to that. Alrighty guys, I got it mostly cleaned up. I still gotta do one of these for, I think it's this one. And sorry for the wind, it's pretty windy out here. So yeah, I took this off. I think I just got the gaskets because I saw this one had it right here and this one didn't. So I was like, screw it, I'll get the whole kit. Got the whole kit, and honestly, I might just take it apart. I hope nothing is like, I don't know. I might look up a video and see how it's taken apart, but yeah, there's a lot of gaskets in this one. So I'm gonna replace as many as I can, and we'll see. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alrighty guys, probably like an hour, maybe an hour and a half later, I got the gaskets replaced. That one too. I don't know if there's any other. I mean, there's, oh yeah, that big old one that goes around. You gotta put that one on. And other than that, yeah, it's all assembled. So now it's ready to go back onto the motor. And yeah, pretty simple enough. I like how they have the diagram too. I didn't look up a video. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the truck. Alright guys, later on, you can hear the truck is now on. It is running. So I just wanted to go over real quick what happened to the original one. It's actually this right here. So that, when I guess we were tiny it, or he was tiny it broke a piece off. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that if it focuses. Yeah. Other than that, I mean, this part's good. This whole thing is good. So you just technically needed this part.
Yeah.
So
I don't even know if I should keep that.
spare parts, but yeah, no leaks. That's a good thing. Yeah, no leaks in the fuel over there. It's all timed, and it sounds pretty good actually. It's not. I wish I would have recorded it. I idle, it would have been like burn, but now it seems good. So I mean, there's a drop for that. So yeah.